Hey everyone! Exciting news! I'm now offering Videogram, personalized video messages from me to you. Head to my storefront and see how you can get one. Want me to wish you or someone else happy birthday or happy anniversary? I've got you covered. You can request videograms for yourself, friends, or family. How it works? Click the link below or head over to my profile and tap the storefront button or the three-dot menu. Tap on request for a videogram and send me your request. And I'll do my best to create a cool videogram just for you. Get ready to receive your custom videograms ASAP. Thank you so much.